Hi guys, in this video we will be going about how you can link your Google Analytics to your Google Ads account. Now this is super important when it comes to getting data from Google Analytics directly to your Google Ads to improve your campaigns, right? Especially the audience list that you can get from Google Analytics is very much useful for remarketing campaigns, right? We'll cover that in the further videos. But yeah, going about this, firstly you'll need two requirements in order to link it. Firstly, you'll have to have the edit level permissions in your Google Analytics account, and in your Google Ads you'll have to have the admin level permissions. Now, if at all you don't have those permissions, you won't be able to link the account. So either you can ask the one who already has those permissions to link it, or you can ask them to promote your level from to whatever it is required to link it, and then you can yourself go about and linking it. Firstly, we'll look into how you can link uh, through Google Ads. You can go to Tools and Settings, and under Setup, Linked Accounts. Once you are here, there are two options for Google Analytics. One is UI and GA4. UI is Universal Analytics. In case you are using Universal Analytics yet, you can go about it clicking this and go further. If at all you're using GA4, then you can follow these steps. You can click on Details and simply click on Link. Once you do that, you can again check this and click on Link, and you'll be done. Now I'll show you how you can do it through Google Analytics. You should click on Settings, and under Property, if you scroll, you can see Ad Manager Links. Oh, sorry, you can see Google Ads Links. So you have to click on Google Ads Links. Now you have to click on Link. Now, if at all, let's say you don't have the edit level permission in your Google Analytics account, you cannot click this button. It will be grayed out. It will be in gray color, and you won't be able to click it. So yeah, if it is blue, then you can go ahead and click on Link, and over here click on Choose Google Ads Account, and it will automatically find all the accounts linked to your particular Google account. And I'll click on this and confirm. Once you do that, you can click on Next. Now there are a couple of options over here. First is Enable Personalized Advertising. Now this simply means that the audience list that we create in Google Analytics can be used under Google Ads accounts. Second is Enable Auto Tagging. Now over here, Google Analytics can extract the correct data that it is required by it from Google Ads, right? Again, this feature allows the access to analytics features within Google Ads. Again, it comes under the whole scenario of using the reports of Google Analytics under Google Ads. You can click on Next, and again you can just cross check all the features and submit. As you can see, the link is created. So as you can see, if I reload this page, you'll be able to see that it is linked, right? So again, if you want to unlink it, you can unlink it from here, or if you want to activate it, you can activate it over here. Again, this is basically, it gives you a more customer point of measurement on how the customers or how the viewers are interacting with your ad, right? For now, I'll leave it like this. One important thing is, whatever account you have for analytics, on the same account, the same account should be linked to Google Ads. It cannot work under two different Google accounts, right? That is one thing that should be noted. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.